Okay, with a bit of persistence of Katie pulling on the handle and me kind of just wobbling the bonnet up and down, I managed to get it undone. Unfortunately, there's some more damage, which I was hoping wasn't going to be the case, but you know, you take a risk. So here you can see, I already figured the new slam panel would be needed, but as you can see here, it's hit it and the slam panel's gone right back, distorted all here and distorted all of here. And because it's shoved everything, I think, that way, it's then pushed out the wing, split it there, and caused it to push pressure out here and in there, which is why it's caved in. This headlight has had, as you can see, that's got a nasty split in it, so that whole unit needs to be replaced. And I thought I'd get away with this one with gluing it. I might still, because that bit's come off, but I noticed it's also got some damage there. And these tabs, you can actually cut these off, and you see those two bits there, you can buy a repair kit, you put that on, screw it on, and it gives you a new lug. So I already planned on front bumper, grille, slam panel, bonnet potentially, but I think considering it's distorted, I'm just going to get a new one, and the wing. So I've just got to add 2 headlights onto that. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to strip the whole front end, get the bumper off, get the headlights out, and then I can kind of tackle where we are with the slam panel damage. I need to just like straighten it up a little bit while I wait for the new one to turn up, and I also need to get this wing off to have a look behind there, make sure there's no other damage, so I can order all the bits I need and get that here ready to rebuild it. you.